Ke whakamohongia mai hakuala, mo tātukulua au, ki Niue. Ke whakamohongia mai hakuloto, ke manatu tūmau alau tolu, tau tupuna ne whakilele tau mumui, mai mawhalaha Niue. Ke whakamohongia aki hakuloto, ke manatu tūmau e tau hihina mata. Halau tolu, he mawehe me tau mga whaa. Ke whakamohongia aki hakuloto, ke nākai ni mutukulangi, halau tolu a tau loto toa, he tau mga ahoka toe la, po ke haki mai la. Ke whakamohongia aki hakuloto, ke ua tangi tose hakuloto, mai he taha atu hau, ke he taha atu hau. Mo tātu kulua au, ki Niue, ki Niue, ki Niue. We who are gathered here today to observe and commemorate those comrades who went out to battle to defend and obtain peace of humankind, that we must keep this dawn vigil and togetherness in remembrance and gratitude. We feel for them as they are near to us in spirit at this time of the morning, and we wish to be worthy of their great sacrifice. Let us therefore once again dedicate ourselves to the service that they have surrendered their lives as the dawn at this hour of the morning is about to pierce the night. So let memories as we are to inspire them as this morning shines the new day that brings all the darkness places in the world. Whakamalemale, tutu haki kilonga. Please stand up and repeat these words after me. They shall grow not old, as we are left to grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, as it rises in the morning, we will remember them. Niue whikai, ke manatu tukulangi.